Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX pushes to the upside. It continues to look good. Yeah, it's following our primary expectation. What I want to do, I just want to tidy up the chart a bit. We take out that support area down here. It's not relevant anymore. It will just overwhelm the chart, and the alternate wave 2 as well. Not relevant any longer. I think we are, it looks good at least, right? We've now pushed above the wave 1 high. It's pushed above the other wave 1 high. It basically broke above the micro resistance levels that I indicated while holding our support. Okay, so hopefully everybody is positioned here for the third wave rally who wanted to be positioned. Yeah, I think the boxes were hopefully large and colorful enough. And now we can just let it run and see if it will reach third wave target. Because what is, just a reminder, if we have a wave 1 here, yeah, the large wave 1 and the large wave 2 here. Oops, let me just take that out. I just want to copy that actually. So wave 1, wave 2. So if we add the third wave up there, because this is the third wave within which all of this messy price action will play out. And target for that third wave up there in orange, what would it be? Just a reminder really. Target for the third wave to the upside would be at least $32. Oh, it's actually up there already. So $32. So from that point of view, we know what's coming as long as the $15.90 level is holding. That is the relevant support down there for the wave 2. We could theoretically still come down, retest that area because the move to the upside looks a bit choppy, but it's generally looking good, right? We see upside momentum, it's pushing. But I cannot rule out that we do a bit of a retest again of that area. But as long as 1590 is holding, the trend the focus of the trend is up. Okay, and I've added here a subwave structure, but it's not entirely reliable. You know, it's also a bit. You know, I could try to label all these subwaves here, but it would probably be a series of 1-2 setups. I mean, I could even make the argument that wave 2 is sitting here, that we had a bit of a running flat here, and now we're in a third wave rally. Maybe I'll go with that, but I'm not too confident about the micro count. But let's zoom out, you know, and look at the larger structure, which is much more clear. And I just gave you a target for that third wave. Now, then we've got the third wave here, circle wave 3. Which is happening within the orange wave 3. So it's a third wave of a third wave. Within this third wave, what would be the target for circle wave 3 in yellow? So minimum target would be 2177. But with all these 1-2 setups, again, we might look at a higher degree or a higher level, right? A higher extension, basically, a larger extension for the third wave. So we might be looking here at $25 for circle wave 3. But just an idea, you know, just at the moment, this will depend on how it's really subdividing, that the focus is on higher, but depending on how the subdivisions play out, this could go a little bit higher. Minimum expectation would be 2177, but just know that, especially in a third wave, pullbacks are shallow and these extensions are very strong. Below $15.90, I would change my view and would possibly flip bearish, but until then, the focus is clearly on higher, and the expectation would be that AVAX continues to move higher. If we look at structural resistance along the way, we have a resistance level here at 2163, the B wave high, and that would also be the previous wave 1 high here, which was made, let me delete that one, which was made on the 28th of January. And then there's one more level here, which is the B wave high at 2281. But if this really is a third wave rally, it should go through there. Yeah, it should just cut through there like a knife through butter. And we should also start to see some volume kick in. But yeah, we can never rule out another retest of the support area down there. But if I see that coming, I will of course make you aware. Until then, focus is on higher. And again, the relevant support is 1590. We can lift relevant micro support up a little bit. And I would lift it to this one here, 1727, because this is where we retested the 50-day moving average from above. And it's also here the wave 2 low based on this wave count. Below that level, this wave 1-2 would be invalidated. So it could be we had a 1-2 setup and then here a third wave rally now, which again is a bit messy, but so far it's pushing. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.